Experienced process manufacturing workers, including those in the pharmaceutical industry, are retiring at record rates. Unfortunately, with each retiree, years of tacit knowledge and technical know-how also disappear, making it more difficult to solve critical problems. So where do process manufacturers turn when faced with a knowledge gap left by veteran long-time employees? Many are turning to Shiftconnector Smart Solutions, an exciting new capability that uses an AI-assisted program to provide relevant solutions based on your organization's data. Data is used from your individual site, or it can be aggregated across all your sites around the world. Using Shiftconnector, aggregated data from various sources such as historians, MES, ERP systems, and human-generated information are captured. When a user encounters a specific problem, he or she can ask a simple question. Using natural language processing, or NLP, Smart Solutions correctly interprets the question and its context and provides solutions. A user can quickly click through the record in Shiftconnector and view all the details on how to resolve an issue quickly. Shiftconnector's Smart Solutions, solving problems faster, exclusively for the process manufacturing industries. For a free demonstration, visit us online at eschbach.com.